How to install our Central Sound brand side cover parts on Sony WH-1000XM3 headphones. Please note, this process is only for our Central Sound replacement parts. They are redesigned and upgraded to not break like the original Sony parts. Our parts do not require soldering, special tools, or skills to install. Each kit includes what you need. This two-piece assembly is what we're going to install today. As you can see, the original part is broken. There's a common problem where the plastic rim that wraps around breaks off. Then you cannot adjust your headphones. The first step would be to remove the screws that are securing both pieces together. You will want to save these screws. Do not lose them. You will need them to install our new parts. Once the screws are removed, it should come apart fairly easily. If it is still together, you can use a pry tool, such as what I have here, and you can gently pry away the pieces if they are still secured together after unscrewing the screws, and they should come out fairly easily. If the thin small plastic piece is still intact, you can cut it away with wire clippers. On this demonstration, that part is missing, so it's not necessary. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw that's holding the wire bracket on the inside of the part. Once the wire bracket is loose, you can slide the outer slider piece off. Next, you want to use the Phillips screwdriver and remove the screws that are holding the mounting plate on the inner piece. Once the screws are removed, you want to remove this part with a gentle sweeping upward motion. Here we have our Central Sound brand replacement parts. These parts were redesigned and engineered to not fail like the original Sony parts. They are made with multi-jet fusion technology. The material is PA-Nylon 12. Provides a secure and durable solution. Our parts are slightly rough to the touch, and the color match is not exact, but they are durable and they do provide a functional solution to make your headphones usable again. You will need to use a gentle sweeping upward motion to align this part with the screw holes and the small posts. Once the silver mounting plate is aligned properly and in place, you can use the original screws that you removed. Be very careful not to over-tighten the screws. The plastic can strip out, so you want to be gentle and just tighten them up to a snug fit. The next step would be to slide on the outer piece. The next step is to secure the screw that holds the wire bracket in place. As you can see, you will need to line up the screw with the hole on the inside of the part. It's very important not to over-tighten this part. Once the wire is secure, you want to align the inner piece and outer piece together and gently snap into place. Once both parts are snapped together and secure, you'll want to use the original screws that you removed earlier and install them on the new parts. Just a quick reminder, do not over tighten these screws because the plastic can strip out. Just a gentle snug fit is more than enough. Once the screws are installed, the process is finished. When you attempt to adjust the headband, it will seem tight and will have a different feel to it than the original Sony parts. But as time goes by, it will loosen up a little bit so to make it easier to extend and adjust. Thank you for watching our video. Keep in mind, these are our own Central Sound replacement branded parts made in the USA and also designed in the USA as well. We hope you enjoyed our video. If you do need to purchase these parts, come to our website at centralsound.co.